So, ever tired of writing the same sentences over and over again, like typing your phone number, address, or when you want to friendly decline all those recruiters? Text replacement on Mac fixes this. In this video, I'm showing you how to set it up and a couple of use cases for them. Let's get started. Now, to set up text replacement, all you're gonna have to do is go to System Settings, then in the left sidebar, go to Keyboard, and here you're gonna see text replacements. Now if you want to add a text replacement, just click on the plus button. Now the first field is gonna be the word that you're gonna want to replace it with. For example, if I want to use a text replacement with my phone number, I can type in the first field phone number, and then it's gonna replace it with the actual phone number. Now whenever I type phone number, it's gonna replace it with the actual phone number. Let's try this out. Now as you can see, here I have a Pages window open, and the text replacement should work with any app. So here I'm writing phone number, and as you can see, it's suggesting the text replacement. Now I can either press spacebar to apply it. It even works when pressing return. Text replacements also work with longer text. For example, here I have an email from a recruiter. Most of the times you just want to friendly decline them. Text replacements come in really handy here. Here I'm gonna add a text replacement, and for the text I want to use, I'm gonna type in no thanks. Here I'm gonna be writing the response I want to use for all those recruiters. Now as you can see, this is a pretty long text, but it's gonna work just fine. I'll click add, and then done. Now let's go back to this email and hit reply. In the reply field, all I have to do is just write no thanks, and as you can see, it's gonna replace the text for me. If you want your text replacement to be even shorter and faster, I recommend using a / followed by the initials. For example, if I want to type my phone number, instead of typing in phone number, I can use / PN, which stands for phone number, and then I'm gonna replace it again with the phone number. Now let's go back to the reply field, and here I'm gonna write /PN. I use the / to make sure you're not gonna trigger the text replacement by accident. Same idea for the rejection text. Instead of typing no thanks, I can just use /NT. And then I'm going to replace it with the rejection text. Now let's take this to the test. /NT, and as you can see, it's going to replace the text for me. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider liking and subscribing for more tips and tricks. Have a good one.